Okay guys, we want to catch spike using this strategy. It's a powerful strategy that you can trade both ways, catching spikes and then trading ticks, right? So there's a kind of alignment. Okay, there's a crossing already here on 5 minutes time frame. Let's just take on 0.3. Okay, we're taking a buy, right? So we are taking a buy. Yeah, let's take on 2 trades, right? And if it doesn't spike after 6 to 7 candlesticks, then we'll close the trade in losses, right? After 6 to 7 candlesticks. Okay, this is just a sniper entry, and then if you look very well, you discover that yeah, there's an alignment, and aside that, the market is oversold, and then the market has approached a verified support zone. If you look to the left, is a verified support zone. The market has been finding support whenever it got to that point in previous time, just as you can see. Okay, these are some of the things that you need to understand before trading spikes. Okay, there was a time I made a video where I gave 3 secrets of trading spikes, right? So look at the condition that made us to take this trade right now. Okay, look at this black line and the green line meeting at this point at the 10 level of the relative strength index, right? 10th level of the relative strength index, and it already met here on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so and aside that, the market is at a support level. Now, even if this market will break this support now, is most likely is going to react around that area. So the reaction around that area is by spiking, and that is what we want to take advantage of. You discover that the whole stuff, okay, we are not zooming out completely. We are using zoom level 2 to catch this spike. Please, you are using zoom level 2 to catch this spike, and then your chart position is still here. This is still your chart position for this strategy. This is still your chart position, right? This is still your chart position, and you are using zoom level 2, and the condition is that the average true range and the moving average must have a touch, okay, at this level 0 for boom market, and for crash the opposite is the case. The opposite is such that they will be having a touch at the 90 level. Look at where they are meeting now. This is for boom. That's why they are meeting here. They are meeting at the 10th level of the relative strength index. Okay, and on 5 minutes time frame is most profitable when you find alignment. Just as you can see, there's an alignment here now. There's an alignment here. Okay, our stop loss is going to be 10 candlesticks. It's going to be 10 candlesticks, please. Okay, now one of the secrets I reviewed on trading spike is, I said, number 1, you must understand the working principle or the mechanism of the development of support and resistance zone. And then secondly, I explained in that video. The title of the video is a spike, I think spike scoop or something like that, right? So it's in the description. Is on the playlist of my videos, right? And then the second secret, I said that you must have the equity to hold. You must have the emotions and the equity to hold. Okay, personally, I don't really have the emotion of trading spikes. That's why I do more of tick trading, because I want to follow trend. I want to understand better how the market behaves, and that can be done by trading tricks. Okay, and then the third one, I said is that you must have a good strategy that reacts and responds when price gets to support or resistance. And that is exactly what we're having here now. Okay, discover that the indicators came to the oversold level as soon as the market got to the support zone. As soon as the market got to the support zone, this was carefully manipulated. Okay, the market came to oversold level as soon as price got to this verified support. I've shown you already the reason why it's a verified. If you look to the left, you will see that the market actually has been respecting or reacting whenever I got to that point. So that's it. So I'm going to pause this video now, and then I'll come back. Okay, let me just give you the okay, I'll pause and come back to see what will happen if the market does not spike after 10 candlesticks. Then we're going to close the trade in losses, right?
All right, welcome back. Okay, it just spiked, and okay, let's just see how it goes. I believe it will still spike more, but that's exactly what I said. Sometimes you need to have the emotion to hold trade. I mean, waiting for spike to come. You can see, I think it actually took close to 10 candlesticks before this first spike, and it's going to spike more. At least until both the ATR and the moving average moves up, right? Let's see how many candlesticks that it took us before the first spike. Let's around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, around 11 or so, and then it spiked the first time. Okay, 11 for $3 is not that much. Okay, now I think I should just give you the setting to the strategy. Of course, it's obvious already, is the settings of the strategy, but let's just do justice to it. This 15 minutes time frame. Let's check 5 minutes time frame. All right, let me just give you the setting to the strategy. I've given you the condition already. Let me just give you the setting, right? So just as you know, I always have fractals on my chart, and of course with a simple parameter. We're going to the average true range. The period is 14, styles 3 pixel, color is light green. The levels doesn't really matter, so that's just it. Then we have a moving average. This setting already. Period is 14. You can just take a screenshot, right? Take a screenshot of it. All right, then the third is relative strength index. This is where you have to be careful. The period is 7, apply to close. Then the pixel, okay, is according to the color of your background. Then the levels, very important: 30, 70, 90, and 10. Okay, then you click done. Okay, now let's get back to the chart while we wait for more spikes. Let's wait for more spikes to come, right? So I'm just going to pause the video, and then I'll come back in a few minutes to see how far. If it doesn't spike after the close of 1 5 minutes candlestick, then we're going to close the trade in losses, right? So I'm going to pause recording now, and I'll come back in 5 minutes time. Okay,
so guys, I hope you've seen it's still spiking, and it's actually time to exit the trade now. And I'm going to, we will combine a whole lot of things to trade. I'm going to exit the trade now because of what I'm going to show you. This is a respected trend line, so it's most likely the market will start trending down right now. But let's check M1. Let's check M1. So yes, so it's actually time to exit this trade right now. Okay, I hope you see it, guys. It's so powerful. Just stick to the conditions as I've given you. Let me quickly say the conditions again before I say goodbye. But meanwhile, if you are getting values from this very video, from this strategy, please kindly give it a thumbs up, like. And if you are new on this channel and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly do that, and let's take you on a ride, guys. Do good to share this strategy with other traders as well, so that we can
reach larger audience, right? So, and then aside that, this market is also, the moving average will start ascending now, while the ATR will start descending, okay, until they meet. And that is exactly what I'm looking at now, why we're going to exit the trade. But let's wait for about 2 or 3 more candles. If it doesn't spike, we will now say goodbye for today, right? So that is it, guys. So please, I'm going to be releasing even more powerful strategies. This is how we catch spikes. This is how we catch spikes. So look at this trend line now. All right, it's being respected and diagonally, right? So we may likely exit. How many candlesticks remaining at the close of this 5 minutes candlestick? If it doesn't spike again, then we will say goodbye, right? But then I'm still going to pause the video and I'll come back at the close of that candlestick, right? All right, guys, welcome back. It's almost time for us to close. If it doesn't spike, it's remaining 2 minutes, but let's quickly check crash. Okay, remember that the conditions, the opposite is the case for crash. Okay, we actually missed an entry here. The condition was met on 5 minutes time frame, and there was a kind of alignment on 1 minute time frame as well, but then we missed the entry and then he sold. Look at it, would have caught this spike from there, because actually this was where the conditions met. Okay, look at it here, it met. This is the direct opposite of what I said on crash, on boom. On crash, they are meeting at the overbought level, that is the moving average and the ATR, they meet at the 90 levels of the RSI, right? And then if there is an alignment on M5, okay, then it's better. But if not, you can take your trade even from the signal given to you from M1, and then your stop loss is between 10 to 15 candlesticks. If it doesn't spike, you close, right? Of course, that's what it takes to trade spikes. You need to have the emotions, and you need to also have the equity, and then you understand how support and resistance works, guys. So let's check. It has not spiked, and then we're gonna close, and the video is long already. So many thanks for watching this video, guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.